Hi, I'm Martin Baumann with Focal, here to show you how to set up your financing so that you can start making money from your bookings. We wanted to build a simple solution, something that would make sure you get paid for your work and paid on time. So we integrated with Stripe Connect so you can manage your bookings all in one place. We'll start from the dashboard. To get to this page, head to the sidebar and click Finance. You'll see we have to connect a bank account in order to start collecting payments. Hit Connect here, and we're brought over to the Stripe setup. We've partnered with Stripe because it makes payments super easy. It also keeps your data secure, and it allows you to retain control of your brand for bookings and invoices. To get started, fill in an email address and hit Next. You'll need to create a password here. It has to be at least 10 characters, and it's gotta be good. Stripe will prevent you from using something obvious. Come to think of it, maybe something obvious will work. No, struck out again. Okay, something good. You'll get a 6-digit verification code. Enter that in. The next thing you'll see is a backup code in case your phone or computer gets lost or stolen. Keep that somewhere safe. You'll want to hang on to that. Once you're ready, hit Next, and we'll start filling out your details. First thing to do, fill out your business address. This might also be your home address. Pick your country, street name and number, zip code, postal code, state or province, and type of business. I'm filling out individual or sole proprietorship here, but you'll know what's best for your business. When you're done, hit Next. Now for the personal details, your name and date of birth, home address. You can also enter your social insurance number here. That's done to verify that you're you. When you're ready, hit Next, and we'll head on to your business details. Pick an industry. If you search, you'll find photography studios. Now, put in your website here. If you don't have a website, you can use a social media profile, your Instagram or your Facebook page. A product description. Keep it short here, just a quick blurb on what you do. And let's hit Next. Here's where you put in your bank details so you can get paid for your shoots. Select your currency here and your country. The process is just a bit different for the US and Canada. If you're banking in the States, you'll need an account number and a routing number. If you're banking in Canada, you'll need a transit number, institution number, and account number. Check with your bank for where to find those. Statement descriptor. That's what your clients will see on their card statements. You'll want to make it clear and recognizable, whatever your business name is. A shortened version can be paired with specific items. Let's say you want to add makeup or a second shooter. Then put your phone number here, and we're almost done. All right, we've hit the last step. Here's an overview of everything we filled out. Look back on it all, make sure it's good, and then we'll hit Done. Here we are again on our Focal dashboard. You're almost ready to go. Just a few things to show you to get you started. Here's where you can set your default tax rate. You can override that on select bookings if you want to. Here's where you can manage your plan. You can join the partner plan now that you're set up here. If we go back to the Stripe dashboard, we can do a few more things. You can check your financial reports, check your balances, and look back over your payments. Thanks for watching, and best of luck in your business. If you're stuck on anything, if you need any more help, send us an email at contact@bookfocal.com. Once again, I'm Martin Baumann for Focal. Thanks for watching.